This had to be the selfie of the week. It's the shadow of and shot from the Ingenuity drone helicopter on the surface of Mars. And here is actual video, not a NASA animation, of Ingenuity's takeoff and landing. This first flight was 3 meters, about 10 feet up and down, and lasted 30 seconds.
And altimeter data confirm that Ingenuity has performed its first flight, the first flight of a powered aircraft to another planet.
Isn't that great? When the Perseverance rover first landed, space journalist John Bisney was with us to brief us on this historic mission. And you will find that episode. You'll find all our shows at youtube.com/thebigpictureRT.